Alright, so this is my poem that I have added sounds to. So we've gone in and I've added all my scripts that I wanted to scratch, and I've given it all the directions. I've hooked up my makey makey to it, and I'm ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is clip my earth to myself. You should probably hold it, but because I'm recording, I'm going to go ahead and clip it to my wedding band, because that just makes it easier, and the metal is conducting the electricity for me. And now I have made a closed circuit, just like that. So let's try my poem out. Magic, Shel Silverstein. Sandra seen a leprechaun. Eddie touched a troll. Lori danced with witches once. Charlie's found some goblin's gold. Donald heard a mermaid sing. Susie spied an elf. But all the magic I have known, I've had to make myself. And that is the sound of poetry.